Hey guys, welcome to the fifth video of the series HTML, XHTML and HTML5 on SomeTechStuff channel. And in this fifth video, we are going to see how to create a form, an HTML form, or if you want to show any form on a web page, so how you create them. So first you have to create this form tag. You have to write this form tag and this closing tag also. Do not forget to write this closing tag. And now I'm going to discuss some attributes of the form tag. So these are those attributes. The first is action attribute. This action attribute is used to send your form data to a specific page to process your data for authenticating users. We are creating here a simple login page, so we'll use this action to authenticate those users by sending the form data to a specific server-side page. You can use any server-side programming language like PHP, ASP, JSP, anything. So, and the second attribute here is method. What this method does is we'll see what it does after first we create this form completely. The first thing we are going to see here in the form is the username. We'll write a username here, and for that username field we want a text box, so we'll get a text box by writing the input tag of type text. So this text means that your text box will accept only text data, not numeric and not even the special characters. So the data which contains only text will be accepted in this type. And then we write this name attribute. This name attribute is used to give your data a name by which the server side page to which we are sending our form data will be able to authenticate the data or the user. So we use this name attribute, and then we'll create another row or another text area for password. We want a password input, so we write password here and then input type password. So uh, as we change this type to password, the data will be now of password type, and the name of this field will be password. And we'll see how the change and what the change we see when we change it from text to password. So, and we want a submit button also for clicking and submitting a form. So we have another input type of submit type. The submit type will not create a text box, but instead will create a button, and the name of the button will be submit, and the value will be submit too. So value here is a new attribute. This value is a pre-specified value for that input type or input area. So we will have a button that is of submit type, and which will have a label on it as submit. So we'll save this, and we will just refresh our web page, and we'll get something like this. This is a simple login form here, and as we have not mentioned anything in this action attribute, so we'll just leave it because we are just trying to learn HTML only, not the server side language or something. So, and we'll change this method to get. As I have discussed earlier that there are two types of methods. First is get and second is post. So what this get does, we'll see that whatever you write in your text fields, like I have written username as some text stuff and password is some text sts in uppercase and channel in lowercase. So as I submit this form, this form will show the data. Whatever the data you have passed in that form will show up in this address bar. As I told you that username is some text stuff and password is sts in uppercase. So it will be visible in the address bar whatever the data you have, even the password, as a simple text. So to prevent this and secure this, we now use post. This post prevents the data to show up in the address bar and securely redirects your form data to the backend page. So this is a simple login page, and that's the end of our first video. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share, comment, and subscribe, and see you soon.